excited to have you all that are dropping in everywhere all over the world. Wow. Just put in your name and your location. I'm glad to have you all over Nigeria. I have people from Ghana here, I have people from Cameroon, I have people from Dubai, I have people from the UK. Wow, amazing. We're global already. Wow, the energy in the room is great. I'm loving this. Please, apologies if the chat is not working where you are. But if it's working, please up in there and put in your name and location. It's good to have all of you. So today we're talking about the crazy business model that made Amazon a $1.6 trillion business. And how, this is most importantly, how you can leverage the same model and build a fortune for yourself online. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot is possible. A lot is possible online. A lot is possible online. And I believe that by the end of this presentation today, by the end of this call, something will shift about you that will pave the way for an overflow of financial income, regardless of whatever level you are right now. We live in critical times. COVID-19 really devastated a lot of people and changed the world as we know it. But some businesses kept making money regardless of what happened. As a matter of fact, in spite of COVID-19, they make more money, and that's really what's important. So today, we're going to be talking about that model. But before we continue, I have a question for you. I want you to choose between these two. 1 million people giving you $1 each so that you can have $1 million, or one person giving you $1 million. Which of the two would you choose? Your answer is going to reveal why you have your current bank balance. All right? Your answer is going to reveal how relevant you are to the dispensation we are in currently. So let's start this way. This is a movie. It's a clip from a movie, Bruce Almighty, where the guy that acted God, the one in white, Morgan Freeman, was telling Bruce that when you pray to God for something like patience, for example, God does not give you some cool feeling in your heart and then you know that now you have patience. What He does is give you an opportunity to be patient. When you ask for courage, it gives you an opportunity to be courageous. The same way, if at the beginning of this year you prayed for finance, you pray for more, you pray for your businesses to grow, you pray for more money to come to your pocket, what God is going to do is send opportunities your way. And this is one of such opportunity. The summary of everything I'm about to share with you is embedded in one word, and that word is leverage. Somebody type leverage. That word is leverage. See, you cannot be wealthy with the work of your hand, and I mean it literally. What you only can do is limited. You need to learn to leverage. And what does this word leverage simply mean? It means utilizing other people's resources to get more done. If you're a tailor, for example, and you're very good, you're an excellent tailor, you have limit to the number of clothes you can make in a day. But what if you use that your skill and learn how to teach, and then teach that your tailoring skills to 100 people? Let's say you are doing 50 apparel a day, clothes a day, and now you have 100 people you have trained to make clothes just like you, some even better than you. Now it means you'll be making 5,000 clothes in a day. If you're paying those people 50% on everything they make, you will be able to still keep 2,500 worth of clothes in a day as your own personal income. So would you rather focus on 100% of your effort and be making 50 clothes, or would you leverage and make 2,500 clothes? You understand what I mean by leverage? So everything that is going to make you more money this year, that is going to, even if you don't have anything today, if you understand this concept of leverage, you will blow. And I'm going to blow your mind by showing you some crazy statistics. All right. So that is the foundation of everything we're going to be talking about. Before we proceed, I want you to do everything possible. Make sure you don't leave this webinar. Make sure you don't drop off. Make sure you avoid every distraction, because I have a gift for you at the end. If you do not wait till the end, you will not get this gift. And what is this gift? It's worth $1,000. It's a video that documented my experience of how I moved from the guy on the left in 2016 to the guy on the right in 2016 within 9 months. January, I was homeless. This guy on the left, you can see the image. Very funny. All right. I was squatting. Things were not working pretty well. I had a job but no salary for over 10 months. I mean, you can just see what I look like. And boom, to September, I live in one of the most expensive, beautiful houses in the town I was living at that time. I had 2 gate men that are watching my house. I had 2 cars. I bought a car for my mom. She passed recently, end of last year, 2020. May I so rest in peace. All right, I was able to do all of these amazing things. Over 27 million in my bank account as at September 2016, when this other picture was taken. Or something shifted. What happened to me was documented in a video. I've once sold that training for $1,000, and that is why it is worth that amount. It's going to teach you a simple therapy you carry out every day for the next 3 weeks, and it's going to change your finance like a magic. It's not magic, but it's just a simple principle of life. All right, it's going to help you identify things that the major reason, and I've taught this in many places, a major reason you have your current bank account is none of the reason you have been thinking about. So I start asking people now to give me example of why they are where they are. None of those things really is the reason. So the major reason, you will find it out in this video, and then you will also be able to practice those things that I'm going to share with you, and it's going to blow your mind away. Now, before we proceed, a little about me. All right, my name is Sam Harvard. All right, I graduated with 3rd class, so some of you are better than me. Or if you are a 3rd class like me, you can put in the charts 3rd class. Yeah, so I studied for 8 years for a 4-year course, and then I ended up with a 3rd class. I couldn't get a job because, of course, I didn't have a good result, but I had to focus on developing myself to create the man that I am today, who is simply Africa's most sought after business growth expert. I simply help businesses make more money. I'm a marketing guru. I'm good at what I do. I believe. I believe, and I've got the result to show for it. I'm an entrepreneur. I do businesses, and my job today really is to help you make more money online. Is to show you where the money is and how we can get this done. So if you're ready, let us ride. Please type boom, 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 BOOM in the chat. Amazing. So today we're talking about the crazy business model that made Amazon a $1.6 trillion business, and now you can leverage on the same thing to build fortune for yourself. So I'm promising you 3 things. I'm going to share the business model with you. I'm going to show you how you can use it to build a fortune, and of course I'm going to show you how you can make over 10 million naira. That is about $26,000 in just 2 months or 3 months, and then how you can drive a Range Rover, travel the world, and all of that. Now, to start out, we need to understand the economic calendar of the world. It starts with the Industrial Revolution, where it's all about going to school, getting a job, and then working for a company. Yeah, that created what we call today the middle class. And then they moved to the computer invention, the computer revolution, where computer now start taking jobs from people. It makes work faster for the industries, that's the companies that people are working for, the corporations. And then, of course, the internet changed the game completely, and that's why we can have a company that is one, if not the most valuable company in the world today, completely based on internet, does all its business on the internet, would never have existed without the internet. And that is the power of that. From that, it moves to information revolution. People now start to sell information, and that is even one of the major things I'm going to share with you today. But beyond that, there is a concept that a lot of people are not paying attention to, but ladies and gentlemen, is changing life all over the world for those who know, and that is what Amazon is using. And that is called the connected revolution. What does this simply mean? Remember the question I asked you earlier at the beginning. Would you choose 1 million people giving you $1 each, or would you choose one person giving you $1 million at once? All right. Now, what this connected model simply means is you standing in between buyers and seller and creating the bridge between the two. That's exactly what Amazon did, and that's exactly what you also are about to find out and be able to do right now. Now, a lot can be done just by standing between buyers and sellers, and you don't have to create any product of your own. ShopRite doesn't have any product of their own. Most of these amazing organizations that are grossing billions of dollars do not produce any product. They just created a marketplace, a meeting point for sellers to meet buyers, and then they take a commission from every transaction and everything changes. All right. Now, a couple of years ago, I had a meeting at MTN, and the regional manager we're having a meeting with was telling us about a young man at their head office who makes up to 600 million naira, sometimes in a week, sometimes in a month, just by sending SMS subscription to every user of the network within Nigeria alone. How incredible is that? I also was told about InterSwitch, a payment processor company. Don't sell anything. People only use their platform to pay for different things. And then from the lead 200 naira, 50 naira they are charging, they gross over $1 billion on a daily basis. How crazy is that, ladies and gentlemen? Look at this organization. None of them produce what they sell. Amazon doesn't produce the stuff that you order. Uber does not own the cars that you drive, that you ride on. The same thing with Airbnb. The largest real estate company in the world does not even have any real estate. All right. So every time a transaction is done on these platforms, a commission is earned by the owners of the platform, and that can change the game for you. Just imagine you stand in between a particular restaurant that is having 1 million transactions in a day across the country. All right, and they are paying you just 1 naira. Let's use naira now because we have a lot of Nigerians on the call, and I'm a Nigerian myself. All right, you're earning 1 naira on every transaction. That is 1 million on a daily basis. Just imagine for a while. That's about $2,500 or $2,800. Imagine what that would do for you if you're earning that on a daily basis. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a possibility. How do I know? You ask me. In 2018, I did something crazy. I found out a lot of people are trying to learn crypto trading and forex trading. So I went to look for trainers, people who trade, who knows this thing. They are making good money from it. And then I gave them a proposal that, please, can you record video and train everything you know about these things? All right, I'm going to pay you a certain commission for everyone who watches your training. And guess what I did? I put a website together, put everything together, put amazing marketing structure, and boom, I started looking for people who need to learn these things. And before you knew what happened, in 6 months, I grossed over 254 million naira. You can see there, 254,773, 576. All right, in 6 months. This is just from Zenith Bank. And guess what? I was living in Oshogbo, Osun State then, one of the poorest cities in Nigeria. It's crazy. All right, I have other banks also. One did 99 million, another one did 17 million in just 1 month. It is mind-blowing. Just because I don't know how to trade till now, I don't know how to. But I just became the bridge between those who want to learn and those who want to teach, and I was able to tier my account balance. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about affiliate marketing, which simply means sending traffic to other people's product or offer. Listen to me. There are different things people buy on a daily basis. You also buy things on a daily basis. At least you buy the data you're using to join me now. All right. You buy food. There are different things that you buy. So it means transactions will always occur. But what if you can stand in between those transactions, and that transaction happens because you are the one who sent the buyer to the seller, and then the seller pays you a commission whenever that happens. And that's exactly what's happening with Facebook. Facebook making a lot of money because it's connecting people and business to people. All right. The same thing with Amazon and Jumia, Alibaba and the likes of them. They are making a lot of billions of dollars because they are connecting people to products. And of course, we have people to service, which are some of these aggregating apps. And you know what? This thing is now so rampant on the internet. You can do it easily. Why? Because of COVID-19. You see, lockdown shows everybody is going online, and you need to learn how to make money online. Somebody type make money online. I mean, make money on. Hey, your village people cannot stop you today. You must make money online by force. And I'm not talking about fraudulent means. I'm talking about legitimate money, crazy scalable income that are mad. The number one way that I have found out and has made me hundreds of millions is affiliate marketing. You can start with little or no capital. You just need to position yourself and you will learn how to do that. So all you need to do is stand in between. Listen to me. The question I asked you at the beginning, those of you who chose 1 million people giving you $1, what that means is that each of those 1 million people are going to have repeat business with you, because anything they are paying $1 for, they will most likely be paying for it every day. It will most likely be something that they are paying for every day. Except even billionaires don't spend 1 million on the same thing every day. Yeah. But almost everybody has something that we spend minimum $1 on a daily basis. So it means the crowd effect is sweeter than just one simple high-ticket business. So what I'm saying in an essence is you can position yourself in between a lot of money that is moving. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Where is the money moving these days? Is in online courses. There is nothing you know today that somebody did not teach you. At least they taught you a part of it. It means the demand for education, the demand for information is crazy. There is something you know today that people will be willing to pay a lot of money to learn it from you. People paid me in 2016, I think, from 1,500 naira to 5,000 naira to learn how to compress a video without losing the quality of the video. I found it out on YouTube. I tried it. It worked for my video. People saw it. And then everybody started asking me. I said, no, I'm going to charge you. Like Joker in Batman movie said, if you're good at something, don't do it for free. And they started paying me. In 3 months, I made 2 million from that alone. So whatever you know can be packaged into a training and people can pay you for that. We're going to talk about how you can do that later on. But I'm not talking about you even doing it now. I'm talking about people who have done it already. How can you be in between them? All right? And be the one that is sending the traffic of those who want to buy online course to those who have created online course. Guess what? You don't even need to do any of these technical things like I did. It's already done for you. So just imagine, it is predicted that by 2025, the online course platform, online course industry will worth over 319 billion. Over 2 billion moves around on a monthly or daily basis on Udemy alone. Crazy, crazy, crazy money. And there's a platform that is about to launch. I'm privileged to be one of the co-founders. It's called Lenoflix. Lenoflix is a platform where people can put courses, online courses, different trainings. All right. And people go there to buy the trainings. So your job is just to stand in between and recommend any of the trainings that is on the platform. And you'll be taught exactly how to do that. But guess what? You don't even need to show your face. You don't even need to show your face. So you do that by becoming an affiliate on the platform. And when you're an affiliate, you go through a training that is a follow-come training. This training is mad. I took the class with some extra bonus training that's going to come to you as well. 7-figure affiliate guide. What does this mean? It means you can make 7 figures becoming an affiliate on Lenoflix. You can make 7 figures. What I mean by 7 figures, hundreds of thousands. Let's assume you're in Nigeria, if you're in Kenya, you're in Ghana, you can make hundreds of thousands on a weekly, daily, or monthly basis, depending on how much you put yourself into this. All right, by selling amazing courses that are on the platform. These are some of my own courses that are on the platform. All right. After that, I'm going to give you access. I'm going to give you a link to click so you can check out some of these things. And amazing. And how do you do this? In simple 4 steps. Number 1, sign up, become an affiliate. Take the 7-figure affiliate course. Learn everything that is there, all right, and every other training that is available to you, all right. Select any of the courses on the platform and use the tutorial given to you to send traffic to it. All right. Now use social media traffic and every other kinds of traffic you will learn to just let people see these courses. That's all. And then the moment people keep seeing it and keep buying it, you keep earning commission and percentage, and you can withdraw it any time of the day. It is that crazy. Now, is this working? Yes, we're in pre-launch, but people are already making money. Let me show you 3 of them, just 3. This is David. David did this in 10 days, 103,000 naira in 10 days. Has actually done more than this. This was his balance at this time anyway. He has done more than this as at the time. But he withdrew 103 in 10 days of work simply by selling this product. All he did was to put a video that was already done on YouTube. And when he put that video on YouTube, people started buying the course. And then he made this money. He did not know anything about social media marketing before, and now he's becoming a guru. He has made way more than this, and right now he's one of our first qualifier for a promo that we are currently running, which I'm going to share with you. All right, and then this is Charles. Charles lives in the UK. Now Charles withdrew 131k also within a week. Now, Charles has even gone beyond this. He has created a course teaching people how he achieved his own result, and is making crazy money from it. And then look at this 23-year-old Abu Salam. I call him the anonymous man. He's always behind the scene. This guy up onto this program, and in his first week, he did 92,000. I think his second week, he did 142,000, as you can see here. And then his third week, I think he did 2 withdrawals this third week, 192 and 123k. And on his fourth week, before we celebrated him like this, he did 314,000, over 863,000 done in 1 month. Imagine what this will do for you guys. Your village people cannot stop you. Now, Sam, I want to join this. I want to be a part of this. How can I make it work? What am I getting? What is it going to cost me? I want to be a part of that. I want to give this a trial. If this is working, I want to be a part of it. What are you going to get when you join? All right, the first thing is you get a step-by-step training on how to earn 7-figure. I am telling you that you would be shown step-by-step things to do to start to make hundreds of thousands. I'm talking minimum of 100k. That's about $250 on a weekly or daily basis. You would decide how you want. It can also be on a monthly basis. But let's say you are the most lazy and the most unserious person, and you just try to do a little bit of what you are told to do. You can still do this in a month, and that this training is worth $1,000. All right. Number 2, you have access to sell any product on the platform, any product. All right. Number 3, you have access to daily training on traffic generation. Now, let me quickly say something about this. See, when you are selling anything online, either you have a business or you work for a company, whatever it is, if you want to sell online, it all boils down to traffic. A lot of you still waste money on Facebook and Instagram ads today trying to make money. You did not know that time has changed. Things has evolved. People are making money using different kinds of ads, different kind of traffic now. From sponsored traffic to organic ad to native ad to solo ad is mad. Russell Brunson was talking about native ads when they tried to clone a particular funnel that was doing 20 million per month selling supplements in America. So they clone everything and they use some of the website and software which we will be showing you. They use it to find exactly where they get traffic from. So just imagine you have a competition, whatever business you're doing right now, and the competition is making money online. You can use these tools to know where is he getting his traffic from, and then they pitch their own. And in their first month, they did 7 million. That's over 2 billion naira. $7 million in first month just by using native and solo ads. It's crazy. So what are these traffic sources? You will be learning them. Apart from that, you also be learning different skills. Speaking skills, design skills, video making skills, all kinds of skills will be taught to you on a daily basis. For the next 90 days, we are having that on a daily basis. All right, and finally, you have access to the promo where you can qualify and get a Range Rover, travel the world, make all kinds of income. Let me quickly show you the promo quickly. So we are pre-launching Lenoflix, and we are trying to raise 10,000 affiliates on the platform. All right, these affiliates will be trained. They will have access to sell any of the courses on the platform. We're currently uploading more courses on the platform, and there are 6 stages that they can qualify in between now and the end of April. All right, so you are in good time. the promo is still on. So the first stage is called the bronze stage. Only 10 affiliates referred by you, all right, which simply means there are webinars like this that we do. You have access to different webinars like this on the platform as well. Some of you came here to watch me, and it wasn't me that invited you. It was some of the affiliates that invited you. And some of you are going to join and sign up to this. That affiliate who invited you is going to earn a commission because you are joining. So if 10 people are able to join, somebody did 9 people today only, this morning in 2 hours. All right. Just imagine that. You would get a face cap, you get a branded t-shirt, a branded bracelet. You have a shopping card as well that you can use to buy some things at a shop. And then if you did 50 affiliates, your silver, you get a laptop, an Android phone, and a power bank, and you would have earned in referral commission over 200,000. Let's say you did gold, which is where everyone should target, and I will show you why. If you can do this gold within a month, you can make over 10 million in 3 months, and I will show you. All right, you win a luxury trip to Ghana, all right, or Cape Verde, Cote d'Ivoire, some other amazing African Caribbean countries you're going to visit. It's crazy. With over 400k you would have earned in the period. The next one is Ruby. With only 200 affiliates, you win a trip to Dubai and Nairobi. All right, just 200, and then over 800k has come to you. Diamond with 500 affiliates. By the end of the promo, you will qualify for a 1 million naira cash and all expense paid trip to Madrid. This is just promo. This is just promo, just to give you the fact that you are part of the platform, you're joining the pre-launch, and then you're an affiliate, you're learning, everything is given to you. You will still be getting this. And the ultimate one, the last stage, is where the grand prize is 1,000 affiliates. All right, by now, between now and end of April, you get a Range Rover Evoque, and then of course you would have earned over 4 million naira in income. So let's put everything together. Number one, you get the step-by-step training, which is worth $1,000, because anything that can pay you 7 figures on a weekly basis is worth more than $1,000. Yeah, beautiful. So number two, you have access to sell any of the products, which is priceless. Number three, you have access to the daily training on traffic generation and skill acquisition, different skills to succeed online. You would have access to all those trainings every day. If you miss any one, it will be recorded and placed on your back office, so you'll be able to watch it again and again and again and practice. All right, and then you have access to the promo that I just showed you. Everything is worth $2,000, but you will not be paying this amount. All right, you will not be paying this amount because we're in pre-launch. Everything is already discounted. You will have access to the entire thing that I just shared with only a one-time payment of 10,350 naira, which is just $23. It doesn't say wow. That is what you have access to. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you have two options. Either you say yes to this or you say no to this. But let's assume you decide to say no. What are the other things you could probably do? So I'll give you an advice because you've stayed till this time, all right? So that your time will not be wasted. Number one, you can decide to get a banking job. It looks good. It looks great. Can earn between 80k and 300k monthly. And you know, it's good and all of that. Number two, you can start Uber business, which means you buy a car like a Corolla, for example, which will cost about 1.5 million, and then you give it to a driver to drive for you, and it's going to bring you income return every month. All right, but there are issues with this, and I want to compare this to if you say yes and you become a Lenoflix affiliate today, versus if you decide to go get a job in the bank, versus if you decide to start Uber business. Number one, you can make minimum of 100k a week or even in a day on Lenoflix. A bank job, if you come in as executive training, could pay you between 100 to 300k, and maybe as a entry-level graduate, you could earn between 60 to 80k, all right? And then Uber business can pay you up to 100k monthly, all right? They can deliver that to you as well. So it can pay you up to that, coming to you every month as well, all right? Number two is the fact that you can start making money in 24 hours when you join Lenoflix affiliate. But with banking job, you need 18 years in school in training before you can even say you want to make any money. You will need 1.5 million naira minimum to start the Uber business, all right? And then to start Lenoflix, just 10,350, just $23. You have 0.3% chance of getting employed if you're looking for a bank job. And then it will take you 18 months minimum to break even if you're running Uber business. And that is even all things being equal, which is never possible. Which means that too many risks associated now. They can steal your car. The driver can, cheat you. They can enter last man trouble. They can have accidents. The car cannot run continuously for 18 months. It's going to break down. All right, so the car will need a lot of maintenance and all of those things happening to it. Accident, unforeseen circumstances, all of these things are involved. And it will take you 18 months before you see one kobo. All right. Now, banking job is not secured. They laid a lot of them off in recent times. And even if you get the job, you could lose it anytime. But here, your income is proven and guaranteed if you follow the steps that you will be taught. It is as simple as that. But if you are saying yes today, I've got good news. With only 10,350, you will have access to all of this that I've listed. But if you decide to take action now in the next 24 hours for the first 200 people, we're over 600 on this call. For the first 200 people that register, you will be sending me your username and your email address. You type it and send me to me via email. The email is iamsamharvard@gmail.com. Moment you register and you confirm your registration, you've paid your 10,350, you've been approved, just send it to me. I will verify. Then I have a crazy bonus for you. This bonus is mad. Never done this kind of thing I'm about to do before. But for the first 200 of you in the next 24 hours who are able to pay 10,350, apart from all of the things that you are going to get access to, that everybody have access to during this pre-launch, but for all of you on this call alone, number one, you have access to 3 months group mentorship program with me. This is worth $3,000, but it will be free for the first 200 of you. And what does this entail? I'll just tell you a few stories of 2 people. Let me just pick 2 because of time that has passed through this. This is Femi Yoda. All right. I met him in 2017, around October of that year. He just got laid off from his bank job. He's married with 3 children, and of course, you know how difficult that's going to be. I haven't lost a job. So he tried to do a couple of things, and every time he met somebody, they will say, you need to meet Sam. You need to meet Sam. So who is this Sam guy that everybody is telling me? So when the 3rd person referred me, he decided to call, and then we met, and then the relationship started. And this guy built from everything that I was able to teach him. He bought bought car for his wife, moved to a very beautiful house, and then was earning, this is even rough play, makes way more than this as at that time, over $1,000 per week. He was teaching people this as at 2019 because he went through that. Now, the second person is John Paul. Now, John Paul is one of my most successful prodigies in short period. He went through my mentorship program. I met him, was a copper, earning 19,008 and then went through all kinds of trainings and all of that. Today, he runs one of the largest forex trading academy in Africa, one of the most successful traders. He has other chains of businesses, sell cars, all kinds of businesses. He has a group of company with a lot of amazing directors. He's doing fantastically well. You can find him out. I think it's John Paul FX on Instagram, and follow him and check him out. These are some of the amazing examples of people who have gone through this mentorship program. You will be having access to this same thing. I'm going to be appearing minimum 1 time a week to you and coaching you on everything that I do, everything you need to do to succeed online, make money online, boost your business, grow your business, move yourself to another level. I run my business in 14 countries in several millions of dollars, and we built this feat within 6 months. Within 6 months, and I've done it for a lot of friends as well. So you have access to all of this wisdom. If you pay today, you are one of the 200, you have access to this. All right, number 2 bonus you are getting is monetizing your knowledge masterclass. So there's a training that is coming up where I'm going to be training people on how to monetize what they know. That thing you know that you don't value, how can it make you money? All right, I put something that I know about WhatsApp marketing into a training video recently, and that thing sold in 5 months over 30 million naira. I was selling at 5,000 naira at that time. Just imagine that. So I'm going to be taking you step by step to show you how you can do this and how you can even use our platform to start to make amazing income for yourself. So you have access to this if you're part of the first 200. And then, of course, the last but not the least is a training or step by step, I made 850K in 3 days on WhatsApp, and how you can duplicate this step. So that WhatsApp you have, everybody watching right now, you have a WhatsApp on your phone. All right, how can you use this WhatsApp to generate income for yourself? You can copy and paste what I will share with you in this training. I've sold this training for as high as 40,000 before, but you're getting it for free if you are part of the 200 who are paying today. Please don't let your village people stop you. How will you make money? Very interesting. Simply, you are paid on 2 levels when you refer affiliates. When you help us get that 10,000 affiliate on the platform. Remember, this is pre-launch. You can sell courses, but for right now, we are encouraging everyone to focus on selling the 7-figure affiliate course, which is the one that makes people register to become an affiliate on the platform, all right? So they can go through the training they need to be able to sell other people's courses. Now, there are 2-level reward. When you bring in an affiliate, you get 40%. That's 4,000 naira or $9.50 for that particular person on the first level. On the second level, you are paid $2.03. Or $2.30 rather, which is 1,000 naira. All right, that's what you get. Now, how does this make money for you? You can make 10 million if only you can simply get 100 direct affiliates. This can take you a month, can take you 2 months, can take you 10 months if you like. But with what I'm about to show you, even in 2-3 weeks, you can achieve this. Now, if you get this done, you would have made 400,000 in income immediately. But that's not where the great thing is. The great thing is in the second level, the indirect. All right. If each of your 100 now follow the same process and they were able to get their 100 each, that will give us 10,000 affiliate on your second level. At 1,000 each, that will equal to 1 million naira for you. It's crazy. 26,000 US dollars. That is what you will be making on your second level. So how easy is that to make 10 million, to get 100 people who can also follow the same thing to get 100 people? So even if your people did not get 100, if what they got is 50 each, you will get 5 million. If what they get is just 10 in the next 2 months, you did it in 1 month, let them take 2 months to get only 10, you will do an extra 1 million. Isn't that amazing? Now, how does this work? Simple. Let's say you decide to run Instagram ads and you spend 10K per week, all right? And 300 people are able to watch this kind of webinar. All right, and then let's just say only 10% of them decide to sign up. And then that's equal to 30 sales. All right, by the time you do this 3 times, you would have gotten your 100 already. 30 sales equals 300K in revenue, and that's 120,000 in a week or a day or a month if you like. And then subtract what you have spent, you are having 110K in a week. 2 things are important here: the fact that you could get up to 30 to 50 sales in a week. So in 1 month, you will get your 100, and then you can proceed to allow every other person to do that. What all of this will cost you is 1, fast action today. You pay today $10,350 or $23, depending on where you are watching from, and then you send me an email as soon as you're paid and you're approved. I am samharvard@gmail.com. All right, you have full access to everything. All right, on the platform, moment you register, let me just show you a bit. You'll be able to see something like this. You come to affiliate session, all right, you come to your dashboard. So to show you this welcome video. So this welcome video is going to teach you everything you need to do. But before you do this, moment you register, there's going to be a link. I think it's already displaying on the chat area right now. So click that link. It's going to take you to the registration page. Fill the page. Then it takes you to payment page. Select card or transfer. If you do transfer, you have to contact admin with a proof of payment, and then also you send them your reference code, and then they will confirm you immediately. All right, they're 24 hours active. So just send a message on WhatsApp to the number that will appear to you in the link when you get to the payment page. But if you're using card, it will approve you automatically. All right, and then you can also pay with card internationally, at different places and all of that. So you have access to that. So when you get in here, you'll be able to come to training center to take your training. All right, so from the training center, you have access to every training that is already given, and then you can get to start. So from here, you have access to all other information that you need to make an amazing move on this platform. So what are you waiting for? I want you to become an affiliate with us right now. Start making that payment, fill that form, register, and claim this bonus. Remember, it's just limited to 200 people. Now, the last question I'm going to ask you is, if someone like me with a third class who grew up in a ghetto, who didn't know much, could do hundreds of millions in a year with this affiliate marketing, how much more you who had a 2-1? How much more you would do better? Now, I'm not saying you will make hundreds of millions. No, that's not what I'm saying. But what can an extra 100K do for you? You can decide your own paycheck in this business. You can decide anything you want. Just join the platform, learn the tools, apply the tools. The sky is your beginning point. I can't wait to find you on board. I can't wait to welcome you on board. I can't wait to share your own success story. And I'm waiting for your email. You're welcome to LearnOfAce. Thank you very much for joining. Please click the link right now if you have not clicked it already. For your gift, expect an email from me in the next 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to have access to that. Thank you very much.